This is my product review of this shower adjustable shower head. So here are the pieces. This is where it's going. So instructions are included.
Now we need the bottom.
So this is really solid, really good quality stainless metal. Come on, get into focus. And but it's very well weighted and just very impressive. Okay, so this is the rain shower head. These are little silicone assisting devices that help to make it so that hard water doesn't collect up as easily. Everything is a lightweight stainless, and but good quality. Okay, so as for installation, this is just beyond me. I'll get a plumber to do this, but everything is really nice quality. Definite recommend.